Hi everyone. This lecture deals with prenatal diagnosis of a rare disease of cystic fibrosis, which is common in the USA but less common in India. So this topic of prenatal diagnosis of cystic fibrosis will be covered under the headings of the disease features, epidemiology, genetics of cystic fibrosis, prognosis, and prenatal sonography, why it is important, and the method and features on prenatal sonography, genetic diagnosis, and controversies involved in the prenatal diagnosis of cystic fibrosis, and what is the policy to be followed in India, and finally, counseling of the couple regarding the prenatal diagnosis of cystic fibrosis. All this will be covered in this lecture. If you'd like to listen to the lecture, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.